Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Terabyte Kubix E02B desktop speakers. The front of the package has an image of the product. We can see some Terabyte branding on the top right, the Kubix branding on the middle left. Right underneath that, we can see that it is a 2.0 multimedia speaker. Underneath that, we can see that it is powered by USB. It is portable and can be used with laptops. Right here we can see the different devices that the speakers are compatible with, which include desktops and computers, laptops, MP3 or MP4 players, smartphones or phones, and it has a USB output. Right here we have a slogan that says, "Listen in high spirits." On the right hand side of the package, we have some technical specifications and some system configurations. Let's go through the specifications first. It has an amplifier output power of 1 watt multiplied by 2 because of the two speakers, obviously. It has a sound to noise ratio of greater than or equal to 60 decibels. It has a frequency response of 90 Hz to 20 kHz. It has a supply voltage of DC 5 volts. The speaker size is 52 mm multiplied by 2, obviously because of the two speakers. It has a separation of greater than or equal to 70 decibels, and it has an impedance of 4 ohms. The system configuration includes USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 with audio output with sound card, and it has support for plug and play functionality. Right here we have an illustration of how the speakers can be connected and configured. On the left hand side of the package we have an image of the speaker, and here we can see that we have the black color variant. We also have a QR code that should lead to the company's website. Underneath that, we have some information about the customer support as well. The back of the package is exactly the same as the front. There's nothing at the bottom, and we can see some Terabyte music branding on the top. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Obviously, we get the two speakers. They have some Terabyte branding on the top left corners of each of them. We also have this clear plastic stand on which they can stand, obviously. And we have a clear plastic layer around the speaker drivers that protect the drivers, but it is in a triangular shape, so it does not allow the sound to get muffled up. The speakers overall have a matte black finish all across, and on the back of one of the speakers we can see a wheel that can be used to control the volume of the speaker. There is no indicator to show what direction the wheel needs to be turned in order to increase or decrease the volume. One would have to simply turn the wheel and find out. In terms of the wire, we have a black double wire that has a USB type A interface on one end and 3.5 mm jack as well. In terms of length, it is approximately a meter long. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Terabyte Kubix E02B desktop speakers. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.